I'm sure you've heard the news about LoafGuard.Shop popping up everywhere. Bread bags that promise to keep your loaf fresher, longer? But is it really worth the dough? Here's the quick loaf down. LoafGuard.Shop is not an outright scam. Most folks get their beeswax bread bag, eventually. But brace yourself for a $39 price tag, surprise shipping from Asia, and a Trustpilot score of 2.5 out of 5. Red flags? Oh, we've got a bakery full. Marketing makes it sound local and cozy, but items come from China or Thailand. You might see prices in your currency, but get charged in US dollars anyway. Returns? There's a 20% restocking fee, and you foot the shipping bill. Some bags arrive with a plastic liner instead of pure beeswax. But hey, credit where it's due. The bags seem to work. Your payment's safe via Shopify, and Scam Advisor gives them a high trust score. Pro tip: want a beeswax bag? Check Etsy or Amazon for local options that might save you time and cash.